First, make sure you're in a calm and quiet space in which you won't be disturbed for the time being. Once you've done that, you can begin to settle into a position in which you feel completely relaxed and at ease. Once you've found the perfect position, you can gently close your eyes, relaxing your eyelids, feeling how they're becoming loose. Now, I'd like you to take your attention to your breath. Take a nice, calming breath in. Let the breath rest for just a moment, and then let out a deep exhale. Let your awareness rest on your breath. You're becoming more and more relaxed with each breath you take. All the distractions are slowly fading away from your awareness. You are becoming calm, peaceful, open, and receptive. Now, take some time to ponder the relationship you have with yourself, aiming to be open and honest about your feelings, curious about whatever thoughts and feelings come up. You may encounter negative or disturbing thoughts. You may be doubting yourself or focusing on your imperfections. Know that right now, you needn't block out any aspect of yourself, as choosing to honor and pay loving attention to these thoughts and feelings is too an act of self-love. Loving yourself doesn't mean that you should think you're perfect. It means that you acknowledge your imperfections with an open heart, choosing to direct your love towards them by being understanding and compassionate. Breathe, aiming to become comfortable in your own skin, at peace with who you are right now. Breathe, allowing yourself to heal, allowing yourself to welcome love into your being. Despite the imperfections, despite the doubts, as you are truly worthy and deserving of love. Keep breathing love into your being, allowing this love to radiate through your body, allowing it to clear your mind of all the doubts and awaken a sense of self-trust. Now, take a moment to remind yourself of something that you love about yourself. Notice how that's making you feel. Expand this beautiful feeling by acknowledging all of the beauty and love present inside of you. Take a deep breath in, creating a safe, loving space in which all of your beauty and authenticity is honored, appreciated, and respected. Breathe out. Feel how you're extending your love to your whole being, reminding yourself that every part of you is equally important and worthy of love, embracing the wholeness of who you are by expressing love towards all of the parts of you. practicing self-acceptance and self-love. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.